In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in FreshBooks. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, where you can access the different tools FreshBooks offers. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing specifically on time tracking, which is useful for keeping accurate records of the work you've completed and making sure billable hours are properly captured. From the left-hand menu, click on Time Tracking. This will open the area where you can view past entries, manage your logged hours, and create new time records. If you track time regularly for different clients or projects, this section helps keep everything organized in one place. Next, click plus New Entry to create a new time entry. This opens the time entry form, where you'll fill in the details for the work you want to log. Now click Add a client or project and select the appropriate client or project from the list. This step is important because it makes sure your time is associated with the correct work. If you manage multiple clients or ongoing projects, taking a moment here helps avoid confusion later. After that, click Add a service and choose the service performed. This could be something like consulting, design, development, or any other service category you've already set up in FreshBooks. Assigning the correct service helps with reporting and invoicing. Then, verify the team member assigned to the time entry. Make sure the right person is listed, especially if your account includes multiple team members. This ensures the time is credited correctly. Next, choose the date the work was completed. Be sure to select the actual work date so your records stay accurate and easy to review later. In the HHMM field, enter the time worked using hours and minutes. For example, if you worked for 1 hour and 30 minutes, enter it in the proper time format. Accurate time entry is especially helpful when reviewing productivity or preparing invoices. Then, add details about the work in the notes field. Use this space to briefly describe what was completed. Clear notes can make the entry more useful for internal tracking and for client transparency if needed. If this time should be invoiced to the client, enable the billable checkbox. This tells FreshBooks that the entry can be included when creating an invoice. Once everything looks correct, click the green checkmark button to save the entry. After saving, review the time tracking list to confirm that the new entry appears correctly and that the daily total has updated. That's it. You've successfully logged time in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching.